People. Que pasa, sakpa, say what they do. Welcome to Crime Time News, where the difference is in the meds. Call it news with a buzz. First thing that is popping in the news. There's been a WAR that has been going on for a very long time. Call it the Garrison version of the 100 years WAR. This is between two rivals, some family, and mostly between two lanes. One of the lanes is called Lovaval, more affectionately known. The next one is called Blacksmith Lane. For a couple of years, consistently, a whole bunch of persons have been getting caught up. A whole bunch of persons have been losing their life. It is an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. They are trading family members for a very long time. Of lately, there was one particular menace. His name is Dwayne Logan, more affectionately known as Looty. You might have heard about Looty. Looty was on the St. Thomas Most Wanted list because he took away several persons, back to back to back, most notably a DC that is called Mr. Forsyth. Mr. Forsyth was taken out by Looty in Cole, BLOOD. Looty, based on the Popo record, based on what persons are saying, is responsible for at least 8 takeaway in about a year or so. So he is what you would call a SERIALKILLER. Not only is Looty one of the most cold persons from out of that lane, he is also a person that you would consider some sorts of petty thief. So therefore, he dibble and dabble in everything, petty and serious crimes. Like I said, he was hot. However, he got hotter when he took out District Constable Mr. Forsyth. Now, I did a couple of stories about Looty. However, some people contact me. Some people that are involved in this. Some people that have lost family members. Some people whose family members might have been involved in the losing of some other family members on the other side. This voice note that I am going to let you listen is somebody that I know that knows the know, that has inside information. So therefore, this is not hearsay. In a couple of videos that I did, I might have made some errors unintentionally. This person is going to clarify that, listen, in your last video, you said that Looty was a part of Lovaval Lane. That is not so. He is a part of Blacksmith Lane, the rival. Blacksmith Lane is a lane that amped him up and turned him into a monster. He is going to give you the intricate details. He is also going to call up a member of the Six, meaning Chronic Law. Now people, we know so the Six and a whole bunch of artists have been involved, mixed up in all sorts of passa. This is not the first time this specific person called up Chronic Law's name and said that he is the person that is financing Blacksmith Lane, according to him, allegedly. Cannot validate or verify this. So people, take a listen, take a look to both voice note. It is going to be in excess of 15 minutes or so, but it is very interesting. It is going to shed a light on exactly what is going on according to this man's side of the story. Take a listen, take a look, and then I'll give my piece.
Good morning, Kasa. Good morning. Yeah, me a listen to news where I bring from St. Thomas about youth when you Looty. But some of them information they were put out, and I will tell you say everything right, but some of them no go so. You hear me? Cause most of our Looty did a par with Blacksmith Lane man them. You see me? A Blacksmith Lane them man Looty the par with, and Looty no live a Lovall yet. Looty live a Stratfield. But because a shortcut from Stratfield, you can walk from Stratfield, come through Lovall Lane. And it nearer to come down a Seafoot. So, Looty no par with Lovall Lane man them. Looty par with Blacksmith Lane them. Gravage man them. You see me, and the Capture Land man them. And them the man the Looty par with. But for them calico youth down the name Prince. You see a man named Prince with a gun. Looty never feel good about it. I tell the man them say, yo, you know, shoot the man. You see me? So from Looty start rebel upon the man them around there. And I tell them say, yo, you know, shoot the Prince. If you don't even take the gun, you know, shoot him. You see me? And I saw the man them start fight against Looty, a Blacksmith Lane. You see me? And Looty got one dead yard round there because a girl husband dead. And he got a dead yard. And the same man them from Blacksmith Lane shoot off a Looty. You see me? Same man them shoot off a Looty, brother. A Blacksmith Lane. Friend turn enemy thing. So Looty, if we can't go back in a Blacksmith Lane, so a them turn Looty in a monster. Cause Looty decide say, yo, from no shoot off of me, you have to go continue shoot off of me. Cause me I go start shoot off of you now. Looty no get no gun from no man a Lovall Lane. Cause no man a Lovall Lane never have Looty under them wing. After Looty get shoot off a Blacksmith Lane, shoot Looty a try to pushing himself them from the man them a Lovall Lane. But the man them a Lovall Lane not too in a nothing with Looty because Looty the thief a vest, a police vest. You see me? And beat up a youth from Lovall Lane and make police antagonize the youth them. So no man no rate Looty a Lovall Lane. But Looty a go through Lovall Lane straight because there's a shortcut from there. As I may assure you. From Lovall Lane to over Stratfield where he live. You see me? So them Blacksmith Lane man they turn Looty in a monster because a friend turn enemy because they kill. Blacksmith Lane them man then kill a youth with them call name Prince. And Looty a bent on it because Prince have gone with him higher to them, rent to them. You see me? And then kill Prince and take with the gun them. You see me? Blacksmith Lane man them then call themselves the Six because of 3 different gang of 6. One a Blacksmith Lane, one a Yalas, and one a Mobile. Because more time a law boss, chronic law would then call him and him and the man with the base, 6 base a Blacksmith Lane and 6 base for Yalas. You see me, and squash a Mobile. Cause more time squash law boss, the whole of them come on the ends a Blacksmith Lane whole heap of liquor and you don't know say you have one top around it. They call him Prodigy. You see me? And Jay and many more. And all the boy them when you see the police them, they hold with the gun on the road. A Surge Island. I feel them gang them there. And them the gang there. Looty the power with. You see me? So And them turn Loti in the killer way. Loti, you know. Loti, yeah. Loti down with thief. That every youth say, every people say in the community. Yeah, he ain't a killer. So, some of the news them, people are go now. Some of them no go so. A blacksmith lane man them. A them. A deso. That man getting gun them from any gun a deso. Me now go tell you say, yo, him no kill this and him no kill that because I'm go hear say we have to say hearsay, allege. You see me? So you can't put out this story too because everybody know in the community. Them a pretty up them side, but no side no did if pretty up. You see me? Loti talk it. Say, yo, anything come from blacksmith lane a feed forward because of them start them war and turn against him. So, yeah, show your brother. Yo, this is a story need to go out, make the people them know the Loti side too. So not just blacksmith lane, Portugal and Naval lane side. Loti side did it, but the world for know say a blacksmith lane, Loti the supplier from blacksmith lane, capture land, and debtors lane. Yeah, Loti dead, but Loti, you understand, I'm take out, yeah, them say I'm, let's say I'm take out some man, yes, and I want normal thing with them and Loti. You see me, cause right now, some little man with your jail for y'all. See him out where you say him murder. You see me, when they no guilty, you see me, them no guilty of that. But them they are jail. You see me, so I loot it, and them have to know them thing. But sometimes some people give some story, and them no give out the other side of the story. A man no just get up on bad so and get up and start kill people so. You see me? But them blacksmith lane man they claim say when them can't catch quack with them catch them shot. So you see me say them do them thing cause them call a little youth. You see me? From Lovall lane. Last year, earlier. You see me? And the that jail. Them allege say that man kill a little youth, you see me? And the man that jail. You see me? So, blacksmith lane man, them are the war boat, them are the problem in the place. You see me? Cause them have them gun, you know, cause them get them gun support from the great law boss, you know. They saw them think it there, you know. From them young yellows, mobile, you see me? So that's why you see blacksmith lane man, them behave the way them behave. You see me? And then them want draw out some people in them thing where no involved in them thing, you see me? So me assure you, yeah man, Loti no get no gun from no man all over lane. Loti have him gun where him get from them one crew from Blacksmith lane. Cause law boss already issue them gun give them. You see me? So them fi strap up. Cause a film crew them call them the six. You see me? And when the heat the heat pan them round there. You see me? Friend turn enemy thing. Who fi run we gone. You see me? Like Proddy, J, the whole of them man they run we gone. Because what? Them know what them do. And frame a little youth. Cause all one shooting we go on round there, you know. When them shoot after one youth, you know, follow one girl go on there one night, you know. You see me and the youth, when they shoot up the youth, you know, the youth run through some little crowd when you see me, and other man get shot. And then them say a shoot out round there when not no go so. You see me? And the two main culprit were in the shooting, we shoot after the little youth, you know, and follow one little girl grow on there, you see me? Then two man they run with gun, you know. You see me? And then they frame the loot them from Lovall, you see how them go put up around there, but people knowing in the community say nothing no go so. And the youth have left out of the place and gone way back. You see me, because the youth saying you don't want to tell no police nothing and no courthouse and nobody come kill him, so the youth go away. You see me, and the youth are young youth too, because the youth about 14, 15. You see me, but just the truth come out, and everybody should have know the truth. You see me, bless up yourself.
Now people, this is my disclaimer. I do not have a horse in the race. Don't live around there. Don't come from around there. Like I've always said, there are always 2 to 3 sides to every story. We know that Lovall Lane, Navarre Lane is the right name, and Blacksmith Lane is in some sorts of mix-up and passa, war, conflict. This man is giving his side of the story. Don't know if he has ulterior motive. Don't know if his story is biased. I just put up the stories as I get them. Based on what he is saying, Loti, which was under the wings of Blacksmith Lane, have a problem because a youth named Prince lost his life unjustifiably. Loti vowed that he was going to take REVENGE after the people at Blacksmith Lane launched some sorts of ATTACK on him. So therefore, it is a friend turned enemy sorts of scenario. He was never under the wings of Lovall Lane according to what this man is saying. Based on what this man is saying, Loti then left from Blacksmith Lane, went to Lovall Lane after him and the Blacksmith Lane people start a problem. He also made some very damning allegation that the people from Blacksmith Lane are intertwined with the Six. He spoke about Chronic Law, which is a part of Blacksmith Lane, Yalas, and then Squash is linked with the Mobe faction of Blacksmith Lane, which is also called the Six. People, you hear what the man say. Loti was yes a thief, a SERIAL thief, broke in a people's shop, broke in a school, broke in a people's house. However, Blacksmith Lane was the people that he linked up with that turned him into a coal, KILLER. This is according to what this man is saying. So therefore, you see, everybody have some sorts of motive. Everybody wants their side of the story to go out. That is exactly what I am doing. So this man is saying that nobody is really innocent in all of this. However, he wants to set the story straight. Who corrupt Loti? Who is the person that are always seeking some sort of FIGHT? It is Blacksmith Lane, according to what this man is saying. So therefore, you see all sorts of blame game. Him a claim say the people from Blacksmith Lane end up pie up them own people, SHOOTING, after a little youth. People, like me say, this is this man's side of the story. I am just here to split justice, whatever justice is. Point blank and period. So anyways, people, thanks once again for checking out my video. If you appreciate videos like this, please show your appreciation by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing to my channel. That is how YouTube promotes videos like these to like-minded, sensible persons like yourself. Bless up.